Hello Senegalese, the Lallak Jam Sisonu channel. Episode 40 changed everything, but the real storm is just beginning. Mary at Mensonges episode 41 and 42 are about to take the drama, secrets, and emotions to the whole level. Let's break down what's coming in this exclusive double episode. Give your son or lose everything. The most shocking moment from the trailer, a direct confrontation. A woman delivers a brutal ultimatum. There is a solution, but you must renounce your son. This is not just a demand, it's an emotional attack. After the legal tension around Junior in episode 40, the child has now become the center of dangerous power struggle. Here is our prediction. The man will be forced to choose between his identity as a father or his social and professional survival. And this is where the Mensonges, the lies begin to collapse. The medical emergency from episode 40 is far from over. The doctor made it clear the patient is out of danger but needs constant supervision at home, and that changes everything. In episode 41, expect a tense return from the hospital, Amie and others struggling to manage stress, and hidden truth slowly coming to the surface. The one providing care may gain the most power and become the first to uncover the truth. Episode 40 established one key idea. The truth is almost impossible to prove, but now the strategy is shifting. The trailer hints at proof, traps, and calculated moves. Characters are no longer waiting for justice, they are creating opportunities to expose or manipulate it. Liar's confrontation, direct accusations, and the label of an irresponsible parent being used as a weapon. This is no longer just a case, it's a full legal battlefield. The pain of separation. At the heart of it all is separation. Episode 40 already hinted some consequences don't matter, but separation does. In episode 41 and 42, Junior may be taken away from one parent, emotion will reach a breaking point. This is not just a legal fight, it's a family falling apart. Get ready because episode 41 and 42 will push every character to their limits. What do you think? Will he give up his son or will the truth destroy everything? A father trapped by fate, Mahal is now the most pressured character in the entire story. The trailer shows him facing an impossible decision. Give up his son or lose everything. After being labeled an irresponsible parent in episode 40, his situation is already fragile. Intense internal conflict, emotional breakdown moments, and desperate attempts to find a way out, he may try to reach a compromise. But this time, there is no middle ground. Mal could turn to his liar searching for a loophole, but the trap around him is already closing in. Amie is no longer just a supporting character, she is becoming a key player in this game. With the patient needing constant care, she will likely take control of the household. What this means, she may restrict who enters the house, she may hide secrets to protect the family, and she may take bold, unexpected decisions. In Mary at Mensonges, mothers often use lies to protect their children, and now Amie might do the same, even if it means becoming what she once stood against. A tense return home from the hospital, fake smiles, hidden agendas, everyone searching for proof. A major scene in professional setting possibly where the trap is activated, power dynamics completely shift. The ultimatum reaches its peak, and the feared separation becomes real. Someone may leave, or a child may be taken away legally. A perfect cliffhanger that will leave viewers shocked. The power of evidence. Keep your eyes on documents, recordings, hidden proofs. These could decide everything, including Mal's final choice. The show uses Wolof for emotions, French for legal decisions. When characters switch to French, it usually means something serious and irreversible is happening. Episode 41 and 42 are not just another chapter. They will be major turning point in the story. With truth, lies, and emotion colliding, nothing will ever be the same again. Will Mal sacrifice on his son? Will Amie cross the line to protect her family? Don't miss this exclusive double episode and drop your predictions in the comments. Keep watching Marodi TV for full episodes And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews. This is episode Willy signing off.